Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW M3 versus Kawasaki. Let's dive into the core differences between these two iconic machines. The M3, a powerful four-wheeled vehicle, offers a blend of luxury and speed. Kawasaki, on the other hand, represents the pinnacle of two-wheeled performance. We'll explore how their unique designs translate into vastly different driving and riding experiences, focusing on their raw power and agility. When it comes to the driving experience, the BMW M3 delivers a refined, enclosed environment with seating for up to 5 people. It's designed for both spirited driving and comfortable daily commutes. Kawasaki motorcycles, however, provide an unadulterated, open-air thrill, connecting the rider directly to the road. This offers a unique sense of freedom, but with limited practicality for passengers or cargo. Your choice depends on your preferred interaction with the road. Let's talk about the financial aspects. The initial purchase price for a BMW M3 can be significantly higher than many Kawasaki models, often ranging from $79, $575 to over $100,000 for new models. Running costs also differ. Cars generally have higher insurance premiums, but motorcycles might require more frequent specialized maintenance. Fuel efficiency varies widely across both brands' lineups, so it's crucial to consider these factors when budgeting for ownership. Each option presents distinct financial commitments. Regarding safety, the BMW M3 incorporates numerous advanced driver assistance systems, including multiple airbags and stability control, offering a high level of passive and active protection. Kawasaki motorcycles rely heavily on rider skill, protective gear, and situational awareness for safety, as motorcyclists are nearly 24 times more likely to die in traffic crashes per vehicle miles traveled than passenger car occupants. Ultimately, your choice hinges on personal preference, lifestyle, and priorities. For more deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.